Oh yeah, drafting. Oh boy. Morning one.
That will keep the nose. Still looks kind of good. That looks pretty bad. We're in it to win it now, baby. I can't even fucking see all the snow in my
eyes. I was so close to bailing today. I'm still not sure that I made the right decision. Getting ready to leave camp. Day 2. This is Goose Island. Different weather than put in yesterday. Hi, Middle Fork. I miss you. Oh yeah. Sick. Yeah, buddy! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oh boy, live action on camp. Oh, I got it! Oh my god, bro. I'm so fucking sick. When everybody's sick. It's bad out here. Barfing and pooping and stuff. Day 3. We survived the night. And now we get to go to a hot springs. Oh yeah. All right, day 4. We're just leaving camp. Honestly, I'm not cold. I feel well. Today could just be like straightforward, good old-fashioned river fun for me. Maine salmon, South Fork salmon. This is not a bad moment. Pristine beach, cool tree, bald eagle. I'm not sure if you'll see it on GoPro, but
Take my word for it. Nice canyon. This is pretty nice.
Dude, this trip is so cursed. We just watched a bear get murdered right across from our campsite there. Fucking jet boat rolled up and just blasted from the boat.
My name is Connor. It's Booty Beers for the River Gods, and also for Spencer. Thanks for flipping my boat for me, dog.
Yeah, we did. Welcome to Whitewater, brother.
Day 5?
That moment of silence sucked, but I'm gonna be well.
Oh, yeah.
You buddy, swim this way!
Takeout day. Yep. Day 6. We finally get to leave this place.
Oh my God! If you get close to Sam, lick him. Yeah, lick him. All right, now compress the roll. Compress the roll.
Get him.
Hey, yep. And that is rafting. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that this is takeout.
Confirmed. We are at takeout. We've survived our trip. Fucking A, not a standard GoPro video, but me and Alex got a whole ass hot springs resort to ourselves tonight, thanks to our new buddy Roy. Yeah, so just suffered a lot of coldness on this river trip, and then show up here to soak. Then our boy Roy is like, you guys could just have the place. It's like 6 pools. It's like so freaking sick. And it's just us.